Straightforward. You got the second point in a some of comfort. We say no. I dare say, is Christo. Or say on my Christo for a higher. It's according to some more can say Christo from the Jimmy. Nancy being Jesus Christ Christ on Manavia higher. Also, Revelation 7 now, John can say, Jesus said he's coming on all eye. Those who pierce him, all they will see him coming, or see John Boa. Well, who gonna need Uber can say Bible no? John, no can way, intro. We go to Luke chapter 17. Now, more can Luke chapter 17 no. Verse 20 to 21. Or say, being asked by the Pharisee when the kingdom of God would come. That's the Pharisee from beside Jesus. No, Jesus said, he answered them, the kingdom of God is not coming with signs to be observed, nor will they say, look here, it is, or there. For behold, the kingdom of God is in the midst of you. So as someone look actually crying, so when Jimmy Kago says as more kind of crying, it's not talking of on the coming of Jesus on some granoka. The name said, Ucha, but the Silvia, no, if a Bible no come once a month, I don't know. Who can't say passage where I call it 10 years cry, who this up where man looks 17, 20, 21, when we said, no, okay, said, no. Of us, I do and can't the coming of Jesus or can't kingdom. Now, I bought we, I be Bible no. Just say, Jesus say, Halo, oh, ma, Lentino, John Caino, or bois. Who gonna new because a Bible no, your John can, or bois. When we call who Ghana crown, Ghana country no crown, who history, who but Ghana history. Ghana history, one a you true Bible, not Ghana never existed. Bible, you true, not Ghana has never existed. Ghana Mpuno. Ghana, any general history of Ghana. One a true Ghana history. But Ghana need dear or true Ghana history. 1, 2, starting from when? Who can Ghana history? Who come from after the fall of Sheikh Ibn Omar. Sarah Vono. In 1075 AD, and you can see Ghana or Gold Coast. In fact, you can trace Ghana from maybe 12th or 13th century or back. In fact, now we can say Bible no. Ghana the phone be genomes Bible no yenya say. Bible be omo macho nation. Just you macho Bible no be din. Chrome, you know, boat, din. That is of years, Ghana existed. Now, who sorry, we just said, I didn't know can hear Omoboa. Umko and that's a crap on much Bible. Now, who crown crapuru, Ghana, Gold Coast Government is never existed. Here, ABC, Omo the Bible, never that before, who Ghana history, one is from out. But Ghana knew true Ghana history. When, start from when, which century? With a moment country, the Ghana history, and I Mali. When who wrote it? Boni Pakuni Dia or Troy, again a near Troy, and I to do me or Troy. I'm not for Troy and near Yakofani, Dan. Ghana Bible was written when Ghana never even. Mamma Emma, who be John Cassania, Joe Canoboa. Now, who can look we are now? Can John we say as we now? It doesn't even correspond at all. That John can, and then look can crown. Two different things. Luke is talking about the kingdom. Oh, besides, when will the kingdom come? Kingdom now, can when? Now we go to and just say Jesus, Christopher, higher on Jesus. And Jesus is also not to be also there's nothing like Jesus. In any way. Then say, after Jesus, there's nothing like Jesus. There's nothing like a heaven. After I'm not done. Jesus is 12 years. Say, Jimmy, or come Casas or Jimmy, no can away. Was contradicting. Ghana Bible, yeah, Ghana 1843 and part of the Bible no krampo no omo translate ko ekwapem twi se mu nima ekwapem twi ewe and ga Sati language part of the Bible no 1843 and the New Testament no from 1859 to 1866 and Ghana British rule no 1867 to 1957 they been at Gold Coast no o see to muni we say konya is 6th century and what you mudin Portuguese for no by 1471 Bible no Ghana who nation kwapo no never existed to my Bible no now we didn't be general no to do him say Bible no na me asem now we do him make us Bible no na me asem o ko nation kwapo no nation is a war a war thousands years or much say same the sea here who nation pon 16th century 14th 10 first century second third fourth fifth sixth 10 11 no, we can't see Ghana, we can't see Gold Coast nowhere in the map. There's nothing like map crowd now if you can say Bible no John and your kind of obwa John boa it in would go to look any contradictory John there no we can't look near look can near wake now we kingdom na omokan kingdom na Israel for no Jew Pharisee for no e bisa Yesu o say o kan Daniel Zechariah Isaiah omina e can say the king will come and establish a kingdom now Jew for no omo expect the Messiah no okay Jesus aba kingdom no na o kan okay kingdom no we the nature of the kingdom no and omo ti ase ni kire say omo person who say kingdom no a physical one now because and they become one the same thing because they were under occupation Roman for Roman Jew for normal bread I was our slavery no and the kingdom no by there and they say was say you be you won po be you fisa Roman for occupation no and the man John cry a chin and go to prison no no aso kind no oh ye Jesus na the king dey say was say we to destroy no be yimi because honestly na happen and so say it's going to be a physical king because Israel for no physical king na David we no akwa and you know kingdom no mo dream nyina no that is what they are thinking about yes after the temptation no oba we preach the kingdom of God no is at hand ever John the Baptist so sa John chapter Matthew 3 on so was the kingdom of God no be kan wasem say ba yes ka chesu afo nse mo bom pai Matthew 6 say the kingdom of God no emra Mark chapter 9 verse 1 or see some of them no in woman kingdom no eba Matthew chapter 16 verse 18 or say I will establish my church and I'll give you the keys of the kingdom catch Peter let us say the kingdom and the church is the same still no they don't understand yes we jina parity him say my kingdom is not of this world want to see the kingdom no then eba it didn't say so for still now nature of the kingdom no and the Jew for because who say with the miracle na Yesu here no who say I am pastor Yesu na the Messiah no only the key no and you know okay John chapter 6 John 6 now they wanted from 14 down they wanted to take him to go and make him a king or dodgy here because only kingdom no is not going to be a physical one and the Pharisee for who say Jesus no kingdom no 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 enye nyomo dream even Acts chapter 1 verse 18 kwampo o ba be heaven no kwampo no is that Jew a chef on beside him say when are you going to give back the kingdom to Israel still no they don't even understand the nature and Jesus catch them say it's not your time to know go and wait at the city of Jerusalem and the Pharisee for no who say actually no sa kingdom na Jesus can no it's not going to be a physical one because time no kwa na eko and you know they don't even believe him at all or ye miracle Matthew chapter 12 na on see some miracle no ye ne kwa na obonsam and the ye miracle and hono no and na look no eka it no be bisa no say kingdom no That mean the beba. And I used to catch them say the kingdom of God, no, with sign, miracle. Because miracle there, Yesu aye bi achero o munyi ni. And at first no munyi say is Pharisee for no omo ba bed no, omo oyesi bi a omo be we o, omo be tempt Yesu. Because omo say Yesu Christo no wa ka omo hu sem akondemu wom. And I kingdom so no mu hu di tini na no. Enti say ano Yesu Christo no Pharisee for no be enemy. Enti omo pe kwan so a omo be trap no. Enti omo bisa ye no na nyese bia omo bisa wo omo wholeheartedly omo pe kwan e dey attrap no mako ka kire Roman vo no. Say me ya omo you been accused of a traitor. Ne a chi no. Enti e no me den omo bisa no. I was look no being asked by the Pharisee when the kingdom of God would come. Because Jesus Christ no or two. See, and acquire the disciple. I want Jimmy said, yes, only the king, our best of the kingdom. And a Pharisee for no, I was side, die or Janfin. Now, that question on Bisano no say, or can say, only the king now. Pharisee for no, a beco, Marco Adan say, hey, we should know your king, no, baby will say, no much. And I used to say, on your king, hey. The same for now, I'm doing say, oh, you king. And you know, Omo Adrian said, in which way no, they are going to trap Jesus. So, Kasa, yes, be a problem. Roma for no betino, Ekuno. And so, Kasa, on your king, so are Nipan, woman in a chino, or maiden. Kasa, so when your king is so that why I remember one bro, Prekuno. And your madman say, yes, Christo, yes, ye nyano. Say, ye nyano. Now, Omunim say, yes, Christo being the God. Theophany, God in the flesh. Unimia Sansi Umunia of the town. And yes, to catch him say, the kingdom. Moka was seven. And yes, be a miracle. No, there's no miracle. And I say, anyway, I say, David, the kingdom of God no, is within you. First of all, no, or can say the kingdom of God within you. No, Jesus just say, when you rule, the kingdom of God is a rule of God in the physical nation of Israel. Galatians chapter 6, verse 16. No, see, Christopher, Israel of God. That is God ruled in the hearts of men. And you know, Emma, woman who didn't say, Ampa, yes, Christ, the kingdom no all can, and yet physical kingdom. For I see for no, someone tells you, yes, almost tells you, say, the kingdom of God no, is a rule in the heart of men. Or just say, woman, imagine a dinner. God rule in the heart. They are already in the kingdom of God. I know catch them say the kingdom of God is in the midst of you. Or see, look, he God was right with them, standing in front of them. All they need to do is to accept him and obey him, and then they will do what? Receive salvation, which is greater than a warrior. Obeba no obabekom or fight the kingdom. Only say Yesu kansa no emma ofido mu hunu onye. But just say I am the King of Kings. All those who obey me and obey my word, receive me and obey my word, you know, they are already in the kingdom. You don't need to wait. And yes, you can't say you know, Pharisee for no where what just here because yes, you answer in such a way say, who can be. Yes, simply your way and say, plan now, or my son comment, or may not come at Trapuno. Uncle Yamo, Jesus was smarter than the Pharisees, and he was what? He was wiser than all of them. Brilliant of all the Pharisees put together. He was smarter than them. Oh, and yes, he has turned the table on them or give them a taste of their own medicine. No one say omitima trapu nanka in one way Jesus will be trapped and then other die. But Jesus answer in such a way say the kingdom the king, the God king is within you. He is standing in front of you. All what you do is accept him, obey him, and you have salvation, which is greater than a warrior who come and fight the kingdom. And they say there's no way they can trick him again. He was smarter and brilliant. Of course, Jesus is God. It's exactly what Jesus was saying in Luke chapter 17, verse 21 to 22. Fa ne kame ho asem kra. Wasia we be jira say Jesus say omma. Na no wako to Luke chapter 17. We Jimmy too much. And I go asafo bi su n'echi. Nti onu en ti ni o. Because the one ma o ma so. E wo keka o. Mpepesem. But that was akwa we do be ko here. In Revelation chapter 1, verse 7 now, Jesus say he's coming, or I will see him. Even those who pierce him, it has nothing to do with Luke chapter 17, verse 21 22. Jesus say he will come as a thief in the night. Peter said Jesus Christ will come as a thief in the night. Jesus came, Matthew 24, or say the day of the coming or not, no one knows. Only the Father knows.